Hi everyone, this is Jarle. It is finally time for another great lawn fawn release. You want to see what I ordered at Cloud9 Crafts store? Let's go! I am so happy to get my hands on all these great crafty goodies. I especially love the pandas and that cute letter die set. Thank you so much to Yuki and the whole Cloud9 Crafts team. You are amazing. So let me know in the comments which one is your favorite of this release. I will catch you guys next time. Have a great day. Bye!